What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Dr. Ambitious right here. Today I just want to update you guys regarding my FTMO funded account. For those who don't know, I am currently funded by FTMO. I currently have a $100,000 account that I'm trading right now. It's been a week since I've been trading this account, and so far I'm currently in a $3,000 drawdown. That's about 3%. I didn't see it coming, but it is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
So my plan for the next week is to first of all focus on recovering this drawdown, and after recovering the drawdown I can focus more on making some profit for another 2 weeks. I have about 3 more weeks with this account before my first profit split, and I will try as much as possible to take my time. If I don't make profit this month, well, I will try to make some money, but if I don't, I would rather keep the account than blowing the account and having to start all over. That's something I can't afford right now, so I will try as much as possible to follow all the rules and keep this account by doing the best I can. So first I'm going to try as much as possible to recover it by reducing my risk and building it back to break even, and after that I can increase my risk back to where it was originally and begin to make some profit. And my first profit split is going to be the 5th of April, so when that day comes, I'm gonna make another video talking to you guys about the profit split and the steps, the process, and everything, how the money hits my bank account, and the entire process. I'm gonna be sharing it with you guys. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure you do that and hit that notification so you don't miss any video from me, and make sure to like this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm. So let me talk about my experience during the first week of trading this funded account. Well, at the beginning, I was a little bit excited, but I don't think the excitement got in the way of my performance. So that's good. So the first trade that I took was actually a winning trade, but I closed it too early, and I was really devastated because I closed the trade way too early, and it didn't hit my TP, and all the trades I took after that were eating stop losses, which gave me a losing streak and put me in a drawdown. The account is still LT in my opinion, and I will do all I can to keep it as LT as possible so that everything continues, and I keep this account for as long as I can until I have my own big funded account, where my whole goal is to get to a point where I don't have to rely on prop firms to make money, and I can just focus on my own account and grow it to as much money as possible. While maybe I can still trade for prop firms, but I won't be trading the account manually. I'll probably connect it to my own personal account, but for now I'm going to trade the prop firm account while I work on building my own capital, and then maybe after that I can stop, or depend, maybe when the time comes I'll decide. But for now I'm going to use the prop firm as a leverage to to get what I want for myself in terms of my trading account and financial freedom, all that stuff. So the prop firm can really be a great tool if you use it properly, and leverage it well to to get you to the point you want to go. I don't see myself trading for prop firm long term. Maybe accredited investors in the future, but prop firms is not it's not my final destination. It's just the stepping block to where I really want to get to. So if you are looking to trade for prop firms, it depends on you and what your preferences are, but I would rather not trade for a prop firm for more than a year. A year maximum is enough to trade for a prop firm. If you want to trade for them long term, it's up to you if you like it. But there's so many rules you have to follow on a daily basis. You have to look out for the news depending on the prop firm you're trading for. Some don't allow news, some don't allow weekend tradings. So these are lots of rules you really have to follow. But if you have your own account and all you're trading for investors, you really don't have to worry about these things, and you can just operate at your own rules, which is the best thing ever. And it means you're your own boss. You don't really have to listen to anyone. So I'll keep you guys posted on my FTMO funded account. I plan on taking the funding talent account, the challenge as well. And there's a new company out there called the Prop Trading. I will be taking the challenge as well, and I'll keep you guys posted on my challenge. Once I pass, I'll upload a video as well, like I did for my FTMO, and I'll keep you guys posted. So make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss another video from this channel. And please like this video, it really helps my YouTube algorithm. Let's grow this channel and let's grow this community.